Qatar or AI? PSG players will take on the challenge of distinguishing authentic photos of Qatar from those generated by AI. And Qatar is so full of unexpected places, we know they will be pleasantly surprised. Let's play! Ugarte, try to find the real image of Katara Tower, which is shaped like two scimitars, the traditional Arab swords.
Los edificios son tan espectaculares que no sé diferenciar cuál es el real.
You're right, but let's try with the first one.
No me parece muy real.
Oh, why?
No sé, los edificios del fondo, de allá, de lejos.
Don't forget that in Doha, all the buildings have unique shapes. Let's move to the second one.
El cielo me parece real.
I agree.
Es increíble ese edificio, no sé si es tan así, pero la verdad me parece más real que la otra.
Last photo. Impressive, right?
No, esta es falsa.
Oh, why?
En bajo, donde están las nubes, me parece un poco falso ahí.
So, you have to choose one now.
Me voy a quedar con... me quedo con ese.
Ah, you've changed your mind then. And well done, you were right.
Yeah?
Really incredible photo. Mbappé, up to you.
Ça, je crois que je reconnais. C'est l'amphithéâtre Katara.
Well done. This classic Greek-style amphitheater reflects Islamic influences. How about that first image?
Pour moi, la femme, elle est pas réelle.
Oh, why?
On dirait un bébé dinosaure, là.
A dinosaur? So, what do you think of the second one?
La femme est beaucoup plus réelle, déjà.
I'm glad you don't see a dinosaur everywhere.
Ça laisse à voir, celle-ci.
Okay, next.
Bah, la troisième, on voit les bâtiments de la ville de Doha déjà derrière.
Exactly. Do you recognize them?
Ouais, je reconnais. À la Coupe du Monde, quand on passait avec le bus et tout, on voyait les bâtiments comme ça.
So, which one do you choose?
Pour moi, c'est celle-ci.
Answer in 3, 2, 1. Wrong! The real was the third one.
Mais ça, je me souviens des bâtiments et tout. J'aurais dû me fier à mon instinct.
You do better next time. Hakimi.
La verdad, no te voy a engañar, no es lo más típico, ni pienso que en Qatar utilicen este tipo de colores.
And yet, Achraf, one of these really does exist. It's old Doha Port, with its colourful pastel buildings and a stunning fish market.
Bueno, creo que esta foto muestra que el puerto me parece espectacular, con las casas así pequeñitos, con el fondo así de los edificios grandes y sobre todo los colores.
It's true that everything in this photo is beautiful. Next.
Esta yo creo que no es real.
Why?
Porque tampoco pienso que Qatar tiene ese tipo de montañas con mucho verde.
It's true that it would be surprising, but you never know. So, which of the three do you think is the real one?
La primera seguro que no, así que me quedo con la segunda.
Answer in 3, 2, 1. Bravo! The clue was the Doha Skyline in the background. Zaïre-Emery, it's your turn.
Oh, je reconnais ici, j'ai déjà été. C'est le Souq Waqif.
That's right, Warren. And as you can see, this place contrasts with Doha's very futuristic urban landscape. So, do you think this one's real?
Non, c'est faux, c'est faux.
Oh, why?
On dirait comme si c'était de la peinture, leurs pieds.
Ah, I see you have an artistic eye. Tell us what you think about the second one.
On dirait vraiment comme dans les dessins animés un peu.
Ah, so it's a fake too?
Voilà, je dirais fausse aussi.
Okay, so do you bet on the last one?
Ouais, avec les trucs en haut, ça peut être vrai.
So, what's your choice?
Celle-là, elle est vraie, celle-là.
Let's see. Failed. The real was the first one. But note that it's such a beautiful place that you thought it was a painting. Asensio, you're the last to play.
La verdad que es espectacular.
It is. One of them is a majestic artwork located in the desert. Its poetic name is Shadows Traveling on the Sea of the Day.
¿Lo que son, como espejos o qué es?
Exactly, Marco. So, any opinions on this one?
Podría ser real. Sí, está bien.
Okay, let's go and see the others anyway.
Esta me parece muy real, ¿eh?
Why?
Con las piedrecitas del suelo.
You're so attentive to details. Any comments on the last one?
Está también.
You were talking about the ground on the previous one, but here there are tracks too. It's not a man's footstep, no.
Eso no lo sé. Camello, puede ser.
If it were camels, I'm not sure the mirrors would still be intact. So, which one is the real?
A ver, la más real para mí es esta.
Suspense. Congratulations, you have the eyes of a camel. No, hawk eyes. Good job, everyone. What about you? Do you think you can do better?